Giuseppe's Marketplace with my good friend Vinny, and it is grilling season.
We're gonna show you what I think is the best way to grill up a lamb chop.
I'm excited.
So we're gonna chop up some lamb chops right now. Watch this, Lily. Very easy marinade here. A liberal amount of olive oil. Thin sliced garlic, parsley.
Salt and pepper.
There you go. With a little fresh squeezed lemon juice. You wanna let it marinate for at least a half an hour. That's the amount of marinade you want on this. You
That's
see
a
it?
good amount.
I'm gonna put it on an angle. Then I'm gonna turn it, and then I'm gonna flip it, and then I'm gonna turn it again. Then we're gonna get nice cross marks on this. Scallions, right? Right in the same bowl. Olive oil. Now we're gonna burn these scallions. Gonna get them nice and dark. So we're that way. Now we're gonna go this way. Yeah, that's beautiful.
Oh, that looks good.
Yeah, that's beautiful. I'm gonna pull them off, all right? A little splash of lemon juice over here. If you wanna just give it a quick salting. We're gonna go make the Romesco now. You ready to make some Romesco? Let's do it. We have some fire roasted red peppers with garlic. Our roasted tomato and roasted garlic. Marcona almonds, smoked paprika, salt, pepper, sherry vinegar. Blend it up, Lil. Extra virgin olive oil, and that's it. Scallions we had.
Yes.
Now we're gonna take our Romesco. Look at this. Grilled scallions right over the top of that. Kona almonds up all over it.
So if you'd like to try this at home, head to news12.com and you'll find the recipe there. I love it. Thank you, Vinny.
My pleasure as always.